down the side of his car and seen a Mustang someplace. Well, the class that is dominated by the pony cars. Chris is trying to basically permanently remove himself from the Mustang driver's mailing list. Merge tonight. Get set to go. You guys have kind of line up. He is exactly in the right spot. Ford little Chevy. Turbo little Nexus. For the trophy. Extreme Drag Race. Finish line 7:42. 179 miles an hour.